God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So it's Monday. I'm hoping to do like a day in my life kind of vlog, so hopefully I can. Because we know that whenever I get to school, the vlogging stops. But let us see how it goes and all. So, hope you guys enjoy this day with me and all.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, gotta let them know. If you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise He'll protect you like it's lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with Him. I know, yeah. Life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah, I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, He gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah.
Okay guys, so I'm at school. How much language? As you guys saw, we're trying to clean up my table and all, so I'm hot to go. So yeah, I turn from hot. Anyways, I'm gonna sort out the stuff for my class and all of that. So I'll see you guys along the way if I don't carry you guys anywhere, because it's a full day of pretty much classes. So I don't know if I actually film anything. Don't know, because I can't film in class. So yeah, maybe I don't know.
Yeah, if you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise He'll protect you like it's lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with Him. I know, yeah. Life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah, I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, He gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading.
Hi guys, it's dark because outside look like it's gonna rain, so I got home. But it's home. Yeah, this better. I'm home pretty much earlier than I would normally because I never stay for the examination part of the work. So I brought home the work because I have a meeting 5:30 plus other reasons. Anyways, I'm gonna chill waiting for that meeting, and then yeah, later on. Anyway, I'm tired. I can't even think. Alright guys, I'm trying to prep for the next day, so I've just ironed my clothes. So this is what I'm wearing tomorrow. Yeah, and my bag is packed, so I need to change out my rag. So yeah, and then look the rest of my clothes and I'm done. Yeah, I think it's kind of dark, but yeah, my lighting in my room is never bright, so this is as best as you guys are gonna get, you know. Anyways, so I'm actually gonna head to bed. I'm very tired. It is now 9:19 p.m. Yeah, I was trying to get into bed by 9, but that not work. Like every day I try to get in a bed by 9, but it never work out for me. I don't know about no, but it not work out for me. So yes, I'm gonna do my devotion, and then I don't think I'm even gonna watch anything, because if I do, I'm not gonna sleep, you know. So I'm just gonna put down the tablet, do my devotion, and then head to bed. Today I was trying to edit like the vlog, the Q&A I did yesterday. So I tried to film a Q&A yesterday that I had asked you guys to ask me questions for. So I tried to edit it today. You know, I can't just show that because I was actually using the phone, and my phone I carried at school. Edit with for vlog week. So I couldn't show you guys that, but I did start editing. I don't really get that much done because I don't have that much time. I have a packed day on a Monday, so I don't have no free time on a Monday. Yeah. So yes, tomorrow I don't really have no free time either. I have devotion, the only time I really teach. I may have to still stand up and like monitor me. So I don't really have no free time tomorrow either. But yeah, I guess today is my most hectic, the day that I teach the most. But yeah, I'm gonna head to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I was trying to do like the day, trying to get things like give you guys like a day in my life kind of vlog. So yeah, I tried. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to, you know, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video, and come back next time for more fun filled vlogs or chill vlogs or just sit down videos. I'm trying to plan some content. Yeah, me know me around, but even though me tell nobody, but yeah, I'm trying to plan some content. Because whenever I do not plan, that is when I get in problems because I don't know what to film. So I'm trying to like write down videos for November and then start planning for December, because December I'm supposed to be doing vlogmas, and I'm scared already. Everyday vlogging, everyday videos. scaring me because me I struggle right now, and December normal hectic. So yeah, I'm trying to get things out of the way by starting from now to plan for November, finish November. So what I'm planning to do is posting 2 videos per week. So if you see me posting 2 videos per week, I'm actually sending out the content that I actually want to do. So 2 videos per week for the month of November, and then for December hopefully it's gonna be a video a day. So sorry. Let's see how that goes. Anyways, thanks again guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye family.